Hello, this is Jammal and Baba. I want to play a short Yoruba nursery rhyme called Munẹnẹ 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 Munẹnẹ. Gbarugbo kan lódò, mo ní ó bù mí lómi mu, ó lóun ò bù mí lómi mu. Mo ló ṣapá gẹ́lẹ́ntẹ́, mo ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gẹ́lẹ́ntẹ́, bí ìgbáko agẹmọ, múni káyíkò. So I'll use different sides of Orunsha talking drum. That's one. That will be the smallest one I'm going to use today. I'm going to jump to this next one. It's going to give you a high pitch, but it'll still be the same song. That's that. And this one has a thicker skin, so it's gonna give me a little bit lower pitch. And that's that. I have another one with a higher pitch, and it's gonna go like this. Munẹnẹ 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 Munẹnẹ. Gbarugbo kan lódò, mo ní ó bù mí lómi mu, ó lóun ò bù mí lómi mu. And this is a bigger one, Yalu, and it's softer, so it's gonna give you lower pitch. So that's my Yalu. And then I have, this is my favorite one I carry about. It's lighter, but it doesn't give you the best pitch right now because of the humidity. But it will sound like this. As that. Then I have this guy here to give me high pitch. I'll use my finger on this one because it's already high. So, by the way, they use this for melee beat a lot. So, but like I said in my previous video clips, it's all based on do re mi's. So the beat, and you can't really go wrong. You just have to flow with it. So the beginning of a munẹnẹ munẹnẹ. So I put rubbers on my stick to make it sound a little bit softer. Typically, back home, they just stick to the skin. So they just get it straight to the skin, and which will sound like it. So by using the rubber, it helps, because I saw the calypso steel drum at the store. I saw that the stick they use for beating has a soft rubber on it. So I came up with my own rubber band and I just wrapped the edge of it. Improvisation. I learned that from my oldest brother. My older brother, Amubab, is always improvising. So that's one of the ideas I try to add to the flavor. And that's one of my oldest Charles Sakara beat. Also, abla, abla, meta, 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 abla. That's the bonus for the day. All right, guys, remain blessed.